We're making a high-protein green smoothie that is packed with nutrients, bursting with flavor, and a delicious way to start your day. We blend kale, spinach, and apple for fiber, cottage cheese and protein powder for protein, and chia seeds and almond butter for healthy fats. It's cool, creamy, and super satisfying. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, you'll need a high-speed blender, and then we're going to start with a milk base. And I like to use unsweetened vanilla-flavored almond milk, but you could use any milk that you like. So I'm just going to pour in 2/3 of a cup of almond milk. And then for the leafy greens, I'm going to use a mix of spinach and kale, and you'll want to use 1 cup of each. But since this is a mix, I'm just going to add 2 cups of it. So 1 cup is basically 1 handful. So I'm adding 2 cups of kale and spinach. And then to add some delicious flavor and sweetness and fiber, we're going to add half of an apple. And you can use any variety that you like. So I went ahead and cut my apple in half, took out the core, and I'll just slice this down into some slightly smaller pieces. Now to add some delicious protein as well as some creaminess, I'm going to add some cottage cheese. I have found that the Greek yogurt is a little bit tangier, so I prefer the taste of the cottage cheese, but they're both great options. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. Now to increase the protein even more, we're going to add a little bit of protein powder, and you can use any variety that you like. I'm using a vanilla flavored powder. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of protein powder. And for some healthy fats and a little more protein, I'm going to add a tablespoon of chia seeds, as well as a tablespoon of almond butter, which again just makes it extra creamy and adds delicious healthy fat. And then to make it nice and cold, I'm going to add 4 ice cubes. And I'm going to screw on my lid and then let it blend for about a minute till it is smooth and creamy. And we have this beautiful fresh green smoothie. And then you can transfer this to another glass or just drink it right out of your blender cup. That is so good. I love the creamy texture that I get from that cottage cheese, and it just has a real freshness coming in from the greens. And then I love the hint of almond coming in from that almond butter. That is seriously so good. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients and that I'm getting a really good balance of healthy fats, lots of fiber, and tons of protein. And I want you to know that I believe in you and your ability to be able to make those healthy foods that are going to leave you feeling great from the inside out. And I'm here to support you in any way that I can. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.